Document B. Source B. Changle Steel Stone Monument commemorating Zheng He's expeditions as ordered by the Emperor in 1431, created by Admiral Zheng He and his companions. Since Zheng He and his companions, received the Emperor's orders to visit foreign countries, we have conducted 7 voyages. Each time we have commanded tens of thousands of soldiers and more than 100 ships. We have visited Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, India, Iran, and other countries of the Western regions, totaling more than 30 in all. We have traveled more than 30,000 miles. When we found foreign kings who were obstructing, getting in the way of, the influence of Chinese culture and were disrespectful, we captured them alive. Pirates who were plundering other people were exterminated. We made the sea routes peaceful so that the foreign people could quietly pursue their business.